Welcome to Introduction to Python Variables. Our aim is to extend Python's capabilities beyond just printing "Hello World." To achieve this, you'll need to grasp additional essential concepts for Python programming. It's also important to develop a program that's easy to understand and troubleshoot, especially if you plan to enhance the program and make it a fully functional project. This lesson provides a comprehensive guide to understanding variables in Python. We begin by introducing Python variables and explaining their purpose and importance. Since variables store data, we must learn about the data types. These include integers, floats, strings, and booleans. This lesson covers the following key topics: an introduction to Python variables, which covers the basics of variable usage in Python, and storing data in variables, which explores how data is assigned and stored. The lesson also introduces built-in data types, detailing the various types available in Python and setting the data types, explicitly showing how to define them. Practical applications are highlighted with examples of data types and examples of variable assignments. Lastly, constants in Python provide insight into unchangeable values within code. Variables are used to store and manipulate data, and their values can change during the execution of a program. Here's an explanation of what you need to know about variables. A variable is a named storage location in the computer's memory where data can be stored and manipulated during the execution of a program. In Python, you can create a variable simply by assigning a value to a name using the assignment operator equals. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare the variable type explicitly. The type of the variable is inferred from the value assigned to it. Variables can hold various data types, including numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, objects, etc. Variable names in Python must follow specific rules. 1. They can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. 2. Variable names are case-sensitive. An assignment statement creates a variable. It begins with the variable's name, followed by the assignment operator, equal sign, and the value assigned to it. In this example, the equal sign is used as a basic assignment operator to tell the program interpreter that the variable named x has a value equal to that of the numeral 10. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Python has the above data types built in by default. Setting the data type in Python involves defining the kind of data a variable will store, such as integers, floats, strings, or booleans. Python automatically assigns data types based on the value provided, but you can explicitly set or convert data types using the correct function. Understanding and managing data types is crucial for ensuring proper operations, comparisons, and calculations in your programs, as different data types behave in specific ways. Setting the data type in Python determines how values are stored and operated within a program. Properly managing data types ensures that operations are performed correctly and helps prevent errors when handling different kinds of data. Understanding data types is key to writing efficient and reliable code. In this example, you will see how to declare variables, assign values to them, and use them in a simple Python program. Each line of code is explained to help you understand the basic concept of variables in Python. Here's an explanation of the above code. Line 1, name equals John. This line creates a variable called name and assigns it the string value John. In Python, strings are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes. Line 2, age equals 25. This line creates a variable called age and assigns it the integer value 25. Integers are whole numbers and don't need quotes. Line 3, height equals 5.9. This line creates a variable called height and assigns it the float value, 5.9. A float is a number that has a decimal point. Line 4, print name. This line prints the label name, followed by the value stored in the name variable. The print function is used to display output on the screen. Line 5, print age. This line prints the label age, followed by the value stored in the age variable. Line 6, print height. This line prints the label height, followed by the value stored in the height variable. In Python, strings are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes, either single, double, or triple. Strings are immutable, meaning their content can't be changed once created. Python provides numerous methods to manipulate strings, such as concatenation, slicing, and formatting. Strings can be indexed, with the first character having an index of 0. Here's an explanation of the above code. Line 1. Text equals hello world. A string variable text is initialized with the value hello world. Line 2. Print text 0, accesses, and prints the string's first character, h. Line 3. Print text 712, slices and prints characters from index 7 to 11, outputting world. Line 4. Print len text, prints the length of the string, which is 13. Line 5. Print text lower, converts the entire string to lowercase, outputting hello world. In Python, a set is an unordered collection of unique elements, meaning no duplicates are allowed. Sets are mutable, meaning their contents can be modified after creation. They are commonly used for operations like union, intersection, and difference due to their fast membership testing and efficient mathematical set operations. Sets are defined using curly brackets or the set constructor. Here's an explanation of the above code. Line 1. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry, initializes a set fruits with 3 unique elements. Line 2. Fruits.add, orange, adds the element orange to the set. Line 3. Print fruits, prints the set, which now contains apple, banana, cherry, and orange. Line 4. Fruits.remove banana, removes banana from the set. Line 5. Print apple in fruits, checks if apple is in the set, returning true. Constants are values that should be kept the same once assigned. Python does not have built-in constant types like other programming languages, but you can follow conventions to indicate that a variable is a constant. Naming conventions for constants. By convention, constants are named using all uppercase letters with underscores separating words. How constants are defined? You define constants in Python the same way you define any other variable. The key difference is how you name them and the intention that they should not be changed. Benefits of using constants. 1. Readability. Constants make your code more readable and understandable by providing meaningful names for fixed values. 2. Maintainability. If a constant value needs to be changed, you can do it in one place rather than throughout your code. 3. Error prevention. By indicating that a value should not change, you help prevent accidental modifications. Best practices. Use all uppercase letters with underscores for constants. Define constants at the beginning of your script or module. Lastly, use constants to replace hard-coded values in your code. In this video lesson, you were introduced to Python variables, starting with an introduction to what variables are and why they are essential in programming. We explored Python's different types of variables, including integers, floats, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. You learned how to assign values to variables and reassign them as needed, along with best practices for naming variables. The lesson also covered the concept of constants and how they are defined. Thanks for watching.